Today I'm showing you how I made this super flowy baby doll crop top. To start, you'll need a yard of fabric, 1/4 inch braided elastic, some pins, measuring tape, scissors, and of course your sewing machine. Start by cutting out 4 strips of fabric for your straps. Mine are 4 inches by 28 inches. The 4 pieces will look like this. Fold them in half the long way, right sides together, and pin them down with about a 1/2 inch for seam allowance. Sew a straight stitch, closing one end and leaving an opening on the other end, which you'll use to flip them right side out. Here's what that looks like with one end closed and the other open. Flip each strap right side out and iron them so they lay flat. Set those aside for now. Measure the width of your upper bust at your armpits, where the top will sit, and add roughly 20 inches. Cut your fabric to be that measurement by the length that you want the top. So mine is 56 by 16 inches. Fold this fabric in half right sides together and sew a straight stitch so you have a very wide tube. Then hem both the top and the bottom. Here's what mine looks like with about a 1/4 inch hem. Next, cut your elastic to be that same measurement of your upper bust at your armpits, and add 1 inch for seam allowance. Zigzag stitch the elastic closed. Here is what mine looks like. Next, you'll pin the elastic to the tube top at 4 equidistant points. Start by pinning the seams together. Then find your halfway point for both the elastic and the tube top and pin it there. Make sure the distance from the edge is the same on each pin. Then bring your 2 pins together and pin on the other 2 ends. Sew the elastic to the top using a zigzag stitch. Make sure you pull the elastic so it's the same length as the tube top. The last step is attaching the straps to the top where you want them using a zigzag stitch. And that's it! I love these strap details. Thanks for watching!